Magagawa ako ng pang-steam kasi masama ang aking pakiramdam. Kala mo kung anong gagawin ko, no? Para ako magluluto ng sinigang. Tingnan mo. Tawag nila dito Ajwan. Ang Ajwan ata sa atin ay oregano. Oregano seeds ata to. Basta parang oregano. Gamot sa ubo. Lemon. Gagamitin ko ang aking steamer. Kasi nasira ko ang aking rice cooker sa kaka-steam. 2 rice cooker na ang nasira ko dahil ginagamit ko sa kaka-steam ko. Ito, pink salt. Lagay ko dyan. Pang steam. Asan ka pa? Para tayong magluluto ng sinigang or adobo dahil may laurel. Yun pala pang steam. Pang steam lang. Mamaya, lagyan natin ito. Tignan mo rin. Anak ko. O, diba? Mamaya okay na yung pang steam ko. Lagyan natin ng all-bass para sa black nose. Kasi yung nose ko ay black. So, lagyan natin ng inhalant. Move a bit there, Shania. This is so much hot. Because my steam is starting
to blow
heat it
off.
up. What to blow off?
Because I'm not good. Because now when you're watching phone, and then and I'm playing the computer, I touch it and I feel hot and is it gone now?
Shania, I have hot tea there. Move a bit. What's that? What's in your hand? See? See, nag-umpisa ng mag-steam.
Okay. Move. It's dirty. Come.
Can you move there, Ma?
Move. Thank you.
See? Mag-i-steam na ako. Can you check the window if it's open, Kuya?
I checked it already, but it's not open. It's not open.
It's not open.
Yeah,
Can you close the curtain, please?
Should
Close the blinds.
Should I close your?
No.
Close
She
the
can't do it.
curtain?
She can't do it. You go there, please.
The curtain.
See, it started now. See, look, my steam is good.
What?
No. You're gonna burn yourself. Mag-i-steam tayo habang manonood ng Netflix. We're gonna watch movie.
I know what's a Netflix.
What is it, Netflix?
It's a movie.
Yeah, what movie you like? Where is the lid of my...
I like Spider-Man.
It smells good na, Mama.
I like Deadpool.
I can smell now the...
I like
all
Deadpool.
Oh, diba? Parang... Alright, I have a tea, hot tea. See, parang ano lang, nag-iinit lang ako. Ay, nagsisigang. Lemon, bay leaves, pink salt, and Ajwan. Ajwan is...
Coco.
Not coco. Ajwan is oregano seeds, I think, in Philippines. Para sa ubo. Kasi inuubo ako.
It's gonna fall.
Oh my God, what you done?
Hala.
Halaka! Halaka! Oh, mag-i-sneeze na ako.
Mag-sneeze ka ako.
Ay, sorry na. Okay, see, I smell.
I'll show you now. Biscuit.
Ay, sorry, God.
Show you.
Why do, Ma? I'm... Okay, bye-bye. Wait a minute.